As you know, there are a lot of homes in Bar Nunn. This one is special, and in this video, I'm going to show you why. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and today we're at our newest listing at 2323 Kalina Trail in Bar Nunn, Wyoming. This home has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a triple car garage. And we can't forget, it even has a permanent basketball hoop. From the second you walk in, the open floor plan makes a big impression. Large windows flood the space with natural light, and vaulted ceilings make everything feel more spacious. Obviously, the kitchen flows into the dining room and the living room. It's wide open. There's lots of counter space, gorgeous granite countertops. I love these wood cabinets. They have the crown molding. If you have people over, they can be sitting at the island, or if people are everywhere, you can actually host your guests from this kitchen. And even better, for those of you who love coffee, there is a great coffee bar. There's seating, and as you can see, the sellers have it set up for the perfect coffee bar. Even though this home has a basement, this is the perfect one-level living situation because it has the washer and dryer on the main level. 3 additional bedrooms on the main level, all near each other, all spacious, all with the large windows. The primary suite is extra large, plenty of room for oversized furniture or even a reading nook. You've got a walk-in closet and your own private bath. The primary bath has tile on the floor and tile around the bathtub as the surround. Head downstairs to a fully finished basement. This basement is something to talk about. It's fully finished. It has luxury vinyl planking throughout the living areas, and of course, carpet in the bedrooms. You could have living room furniture in here and a game room right around the corner. 2 more bedrooms in the basement. Both have egress windows that provide natural light and lots of storage space. The 3rd bathroom is spacious. It has a shower and lots of storage space. One more thing I wanted to tell you is this home has a great fenced yard.
You're so cute, yes you are.
There's a sprinkler system in the front yard, and you know, these dogs are not included. I would love to show you this home, so call or text us today. Remember, we want you and your pets to love where they live. See you soon.